protein balls or protein bites, whatever you call them, are not only great when you're on the go and you need something quick, they're super, super easy to make. We're gonna start with the basics first. I am using the Quick Cook Oats or the steel cut oats as well. They work good. We're using a 1.5 cups here, 162 grams. Then I'm gonna add in just a few dashes of cinnamon. Don't like cinnamon? Don't need to add it in. Just because I love it. If you've been watching the channel long enough, you will know I love coconut. So this is shredded, dried coconut. Let's just double up on the protein. 2 scoops of vanilla. I'm using, what am I using here? This is diesel? Yeah, diesel. This is New Zealand Whey Protein. You're gonna add in the little treats into your protein. So I am adding in, and these are all just by preference, some dried cranberries, cut up bits of mango, and to that I am also adding in cut up pieces of dried papaya. Before I add in everything else, take a spoon. This is gonna get really tough in a minute when you start to add in the wet liquids. So you wanna make sure everything is mixed fairly well. Right now, it'll make the second half a little easier. So now we're gonna add in about a cup of peanut butter, 240 grams, yes sir. 1/4 cup of honey, 75 delicious grams. Now let's get to stirring. If at any point you find your mixture is getting a little too dry, and I would say wait until the end, until everything is incorporated. If you find that it's still a little too dry, add in a little bit of almond milk or milk you're using, oat milk, almond milk, cashew, soy, you've got options. A little bit of water could work as well, but really wait until the end just to see if it's necessary. Batter is ready to go, ready to be rolled. I actually ended up using 4 tablespoons of almond milk just to get a consistency that I was happy with. Now it is very nice. And I'm just using an ice cream scoop to help me get the right size. When you're done, you want to put them into an airtight container and they'll store for a few days they'll store for a few days in your fridge. Done and done. If you want to see more stuff like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. These are calling my name. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.